This 2021 Redwood RV Redwood 4001LR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Redwood RV is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, air conditioning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, skylight, TV, auxiliary battery, water heater, smoke detector, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Redwood RV Redwood 4001LR is 15,088 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.